Hey everyone, it's Princess Velasco again, and I'm going to sing a song. You know, alam mo, minsan meron tayong stage sa buhay natin na medyo may mga self-doubt, diba? So this song is about um, believing in yourself, and there's something in you that makes you special. So sana magustuhan niyo to. Kanta kayo ah. Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards, one blow from caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens, but no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? 'Cause there's a spark in you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em all in oh, oh. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds after a hurricane comes a rainbow, maybe a reason why all the doors are closed, so you can open one that leads you through an open door. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will go, and when it's time you know, you just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just own the night like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come and show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go, oh, 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 as you shoot across the sky. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make 'em go, oh, oh, oh. You're gonna leave 'em all in oh, oh. Boom, 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 even brighter than the moon. Thank you. Maraming salamat, of course, to Pop Hangout and to SM Supermall having me over. Again, this is Princess. Just want to invite everyone to stream and download my newest single, Ikaw Nga, from GMA Music. And of course, don't forget to join the promo of SM Supermalls for a chance to win some awesome prizes. Yeah, alam ko yun, linya-linya t-shirts. 10 winners for each category, diba? Thank you so much, guys.